Okay guys, so we are in a critical level. So we are looking guys for the pattern here. We expect the market to make a consolidation here. Okay, so we see sellers been stopped out. We are in the second ATR. Market at last, well, the past hour, the market just touched the ATR and rebounded. And what I didn't like is the rejection of this area. We are below the linear regression, meaning the algorithms are saying that we are short. So I don't know how much time this can develop. Okay, so we are at almost one in 10 minutes to the close. Okay, so I have not seen more imbalances here.
Short signal NQ.
Either in the ES, micro ES, just in this leg up, which we can see the imbalances here. They started from here, and you see the pattern about the triangle that I always tell you guys. This thing repeats over and over and over again. See here, to the tick, the triangle. Okay, once it formed, it broke up. You see the time and sales here. You can barely see it, but it's here. I don't know if you can see it. It's 1900 contracts. Okay, so you see the blue lines here from the tape. This means that the tape was 80% green at that time, so it was very bullish. So they pushed it up, they pushed it, then we have another 1900, 900 and something contracts, then 1300 contracts, okay, then 6000 contracts, okay, then you see the micro ES pushing to. When you see these big contracts in the ES, is very rare to see that, guys. It's very rare. The majority of the traders push more contracts on the micro ES, and because of the risk. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see if this can develop, guys, and see if we can go long, or else we cancel the trade. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, here goes the Nasdaq, but still no imbalances, guys. So I'm not sure these guys can just hit over here the ATR and reverse and continue down. Well, we don't really know. I just don't wanna risk all my profits. I'm over 1K today, so I'm just waiting for a close trade, but haven't seen anything yet. We have a high volume candle which is over 25,000 contracts. This candle here. Okay, so and price is pushing up, so it means that it's bullish. But as over here too, so we had over here a we have two 25,000 contract candles here. No, I mean this. The first one was 15,000, and the next one was 23,000. Market pushed up a little bit and died. So let's wait and see, guys. Nothing to be, pushing up, pushing a trade. Okay, tempting to put a limit order here, but still the Nasdaq is not. It's not collaborating here. Okay, you can see in the past the linear regression. The price hits a linear regression and rebounds down. So nothing yet, guys. Still waiting. Okay, starting to see big buyers in the tape, 200, but still no buyers in the ANQ. And this imbalance to the upside can be profit taking. No, I don't like it, so we're gonna wait a little bit. I would like to see fresh traders trying to push the price up. Okay, guys, as expected, I told you about the linear regression. It's the same thing over and over and over again. Market hits the linear regression and reverses.
Short signal
Okay, we got
NQ.
filled, guys. Got filled.
Short signal
Can be a
ES.
quick trade.
Short signal ES.
Okay, break even now. Nothing to lose now. Morning Q.
Short
Okay,
signal
guys,
ES.
plus 400 here. Well, guys, I hope you learned something today. Okay, don't ignore the linear regression, guys. That's what I don't use EMAs or whatever. I only use linear regression because over the I don't know how many videos I have made over here, so I rinse, wash, and repeat all day long during the past 4 years. So during the past 4 years, so as you know, it's
Short signal and Q.
we get
Brick
used
setup.
we get used to what we see. So that's what I traded this short. So as you can see, guys, everything is working today in
Short signal
the
and Q.
correlation dots, okay, telling us that all the instruments inside the indicator are short. So as you can see, Nasdaq was short, MES was short, and ES was short, and DYM reversed. It was the first to reverse, as we can see here, and we had an imbalance in the upside, so everything else should follow. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in the system, like I said before, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Just, understanding the software, the signals, is not complicated, guys. It's not complicated, especially like a day like today that the market was pushing really hard. It's not difficult to make your money. You can build your account, and well, like I said before, guys, don't trade your own money because I would not recommend you doing that because it puts another kind of pressure. Okay, so in your brain and your nervous system, you're scared of losing money. I would encourage you to go to a prop firm. Okay, so if you can be profitable day in day out. Okay, not let's not say that every day because it sometimes we lose it or sometimes the market is not in a mood. So see all the sellers, guys, 1,000 contracts on the ES. Oh my god, that's a big selling and aggressive selling. Okay, we see 6 prints in the same second in the Nasdaq. That's why you see the red triangle here. This is meaning that there's a unusual activity, guys. When you see this triangle, it's unusual activity, and you need to be prepared that something is gonna happen. Okay, like I said before, guys, just um, keep on practicing, and you will be there, guys. Be there, and there's nothing impossible. The thing is that you need to understand what you see on the charts and work on your patience. Okay, because if you don't work on patience, nothing you will not do nothing. Imagine if I would have gone long here, like I said before. I saw the linear regression in all the three charts. You see that it works as a support or a resistance. It always does the same thing over and over and repeats itself all day long, all year long. Okay, guys, you can have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching, guys.